Why does a summer feel endless when you're 10 years old?
But a year rushes by once you're 40. It's one of the strangest puzzles in how we experience time.
French philosopher Paul Janet had an idea back in 1897: a year is a fraction of everything you've lived.
At 10, that's a tenth of your life. At 50, just 50th. At 5, a single month feels huge. It's a big slice of everything you know. At 54, it takes a whole year to feel that same size.
Same felt weight, very different clock time.
Follow that math and something strange happens. By around age 7, about half of your subjectively felt life is already behind you. Psychologist William James noticed something else. Back in 1890, a childhood full of new experiences gets stored as long and rich in memory.
Every new face, new street, new place, another marker laid down.
But repeat the same loop, same door, same desk, same chair, and the brain stops laying down new markers. Fewer new memories means less to measure the day by.
Neuroscientist David Eagleman found the same thing in the lab. Show people a row of identical images, then slip in one odd one. That novel moment feels longer, even at the exact same length.
On a trip somewhere new, photos pile up fast and the days fly by.
But looking back at that thick stack of memories, the trip feels like it lasted forever. The holiday paradox, says Claudia Hammond.
You can't stop the years from shrinking, but you can choose what fills them. New places, new faces, small adventures.
More new moments, and time gently stretches back out.